I'm out here checking my hives, making sure that their entrances are open so that they're still getting good ventilation. I did end up wrapping my hives the other day just because it's so cold right now. I don't know that they 100% needed it, but it helps me sleep at night, I guess. But these hives do need their doors cleaned off. This one, as you can see, is totally covered up. So I just need to scrape away all the snow and open it up so that their vent hole is still venting them. On this hive, I was able to get down and lift up the mouse guard so that I'm able to get into the hive there. Right there, I think you can see it, is the hive entrance. And then I'll just push that mouse guard back down. This one here is hive number 1. It's pretty full of snow also. We got about 11.5 inches of snow here in that big snowstorm that we had. So keeping these hives opened up still enough that the ventilation is going through to the girls is always a plus. They still need to be able to get oxygen in to the hive. Okay, see the mouse guard down there? I can lift it up a little bit and still clean out those holes just to make sure that there's no ice buildup in there. Here's a good look at all 5 of the hives. The last time I had nice weather was about 4 weeks ago, I think, when I was in, maybe 3 weeks ago. And they were all alive still. Hopefully that's still the case. I'm not going to knock on them and check because that makes them break cluster, and in this really cold weather, they don't need to use any extra energy to do so. The bees are still working though, because there are dead bees out here. So there are mortuary bees, which is like the undertakers, the ones who bring out the dead bees. And they're still working because there are dead bees still out here, even in this cold, cold weather. Trying to be as quiet as possible, just not to disturb them. I don't want them to get all excited for no reason here. But there's another dead bee. Couple. Right here and here, and a couple more. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. The wind is blowing, but I do hear the bees in there just buzzing along. Something else very interesting, just to give you an idea how much these hives actually do produce heat. Take a look underneath my hives. I'll give you a look here. There is still mulch showing under these hives. And I don't know if you can tell the difference in the snow height there, but it's blowing. I would think that there would be snow accumulating underneath these hives. But obviously there's enough heat from these bees that it's keeping it down. Okay, well, it is January 26th and I still have bees alive. I can hear them in here. I don't know if you can hear this hive or not. The last hive was buzzing. This one is too. If you want following and watching my bee adventures, subscribe, follow. I like my fogged up glasses. That just made it worse. And we'll see you in the next video.